We are going to start with the hardware integration part, and actually the video is recorded back 3 to 5 months, and I found that I should make a new video because the AMR named squarobot is made by me, and that particular squarobot has a mini version which I explained in that previous video. I'm going to replay that video after completing the new squarobot introduction. That's the thing, but that particular version is also important. It's known as squarobot mini because it is very easy to make that particular robot and also this particular robot. So that's the squarobot mini, and this is the upgraded version, that is squarobot. It is squarobot, squarobot. And actually I sell this particular robot as well. That's the completely different part. But having said that, I will just introduce the new version and play the previous video so that all the things are sorted. So this is the new version of the squarobot, where we have the lidar sensor over it. Then the base, all the things are going to be the same. I have explained in that video as well. We have changed the lidar to ID lidar, and some small changes are being made. I'm also thinking to upgrade this particular model as well. So this is the basic intro of the squarobot and how it is made and all those things. I hope you enjoy the video. And now watch the squarobot mini video. Finally, we are jumping with the hardware part on ROS2, and this is going to be really interesting. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. We have our autonomous mobile robot. We have made this using wooden MBF board. I will get into the detail of this particular hardware very soon in the next coming up videos. But this is an autonomous mobile robot, a differential drive robot that we are going to build, and I'm going to share how we are going to build it on the hardware part. We did the simulation part of this particular robot, but the hardware part is going to be very different, and we will dive step by step further in this particular video, and you guys are going to watch it till the very end. And make sure that you are watching these videos very well, very precisely and till the end, and make sure that you don't miss any update. And yeah, keep watching this particular series, as only last 10 videos are remaining, and they are going to be very important, and you will be able to understand how we built it. So that is really important, you know. I personally built this robot by doing some jugaad, you know, but this is really important, how you build the project and implement